Hello dear traders, you are watching Economic Calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV with me, Tahmina Salomova. Market players will focus on the following macroeconomic reports which are due at the beginning of the next week. On Tuesday, China's National Bureau of Statistics will release industrial production data for August. The output of China's factories is expected to climb 6.1% on an yearly basis. Industrial production grew 6% in July from a year earlier, below market forecasts. Experts foresaw the same pace of annual growth of 6.2% like in June. On the whole, China's industrial production rose 6% from January to July. Besides, China's factory output went up 0.52% month-on-month from 0.47% growth in June. On Tuesday, the UK Office for National Statistics will present the inflation report for August. Consumer inflation is expected to rise 0.7% in annual terms. Interestingly, the UK saw the largest early inflation in July since November 2014. Consumer prices rose 0.6%. Inflation edged up 0.1% in July month-on-month amid growing prices on petrol, alcohol, hotels and airfares during the Euro Football Cup. Economists assume that inflation in the UK will accelerate in the short term because of the Brexit vote, as the weaker pound sterling encouraged growth of import prices. The statistics from the UK will be followed by the economic sentiment survey from the ZEW Institute. Economists foresee Germany's economic sentiment index at 2.5 in September. Importantly, the barometer of Germany's business climate came in at 0.5 in August. The index recovered after a sharp fall to -6.8 in July on the back of post-Brexit fears and economic uncertainty. Before the Brexit war, the index showed 19.2 in June. Besides, some other events will affect trading sentiment at the beginning of the next week. Produce and import prices are to be released in Switzerland on Tuesday. Traders are awaiting Eurozone's economic sentiment index from the ZEW think tank. On Wednesday, the UK is to post reports on the labor market, in particular an unemployment rate, employment and average earnings. You have watched Economic Calendar prepared for you by InstаФорекс TV channel. Goodbye.